The Supreme Court has talked tough on black money. Here's what they have said. They've slammed the Enforcement Directorate, saying, was the department sleeping since 2008? The Supreme Court has said that after seeing the ED status report on the black money probe, it's difficult to stay calm on the way things are happening in this country. This all coming from the Apex Court today.
Earlier, the Enforcement Directorate had told the Supreme Court that there was a danger to Hassan Ali's life. He's, of course, India's top tax evader, according to the government. And the ED has also sought protection for its own officials investigating the black money case. The ED has told Supreme Court that substantial breakthroughs in investigation in the black money case have taken place. And they say that it's not just a simple fake passport case they're looking at, but it has serious implications as well. The Supreme Court on its past has asked the central government why the angle of national security is not being probed in the context of Hassan Ali, and it has also directed the ED to investigate the source of black money. Very strong words coming in from the Supreme Court. We have Ashok Bagria with us reporting on these developments. Ashok, it looks like the Supreme Court continues to be unhappy about the progress of investigations surrounding Hassan Ali.
Well, actually, in fact, the Supreme Court is not very happy with the way the things are progressing, or rather the investigation is progressing in the black money issue, even though the fact that today the Enforcement Directorate submitted a status report in the case where it said that substantial breakthrough had happened into the investigations after interrogation of Hassan Ali. In fact, three important points being made by the Enforcement Directorate in its status report. The first says that it is not a simple case of passport or forging of passports against Hassan Ali. In fact, it has more serious dimensions. Secondly, it also says this is not just a case of money laundering, but it has other dimensions which include national security also. And the court has even told, in fact, the Enforcement Directorate has also told the Supreme Court that there is a serious danger to the life of Hassan Ali and his family members. But after going through this report submitted by the Enforcement Directorate, the Supreme Court expressed a deep sense of anguish, and in fact it went on to say that as one sees these status reports, it is very difficult for one to stay calm and quiet the way things are happening in this country. So, in fact, while the court has adjourned the hearing in this matter for tomorrow, it has asked the Enforcement Directorate specifically that why the security angle has not been investigated so far, and also what is the source of this money. So these are the two questions the ED shall have to answer on the next date of hearing.